From Punta Cana to Chicago. Join me today as I explore how my travels flavor my kitchen and how you can bring the world to your own table without leaving home. Hello everyone, and welcome to Gary's Table. If it's your first time here, my name is Gary Rice, and this series is all about the people, places, and experiences that shape my cooking. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been here with you because, well, I've had quite the big adventure. Traveling to Punta Cana for my cousin's destination wedding, then on to Indianapolis to see family and friends, and I even managed to take a quick side trip to Chicago. Now I'm back in London and I'm excited to share with you just how my travels have inspired me. Each place has left its mark, and I've been thinking about how to combine the flavors and memories from these travels into something new for Gary's Table. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. I'd also want to hear from you in the comments. What foods, places, travels have inspired you in your cooking? Come on, talk to me. Punta Cana was absolutely stunning, incredible. I love celebrating my cousin's wedding with my family in such a vibrant, beautiful, tropical setting. While I was in Indianapolis, I enjoyed time with friends and some food, including a massive pork tenderloin sandwich, which is an Indiana favorite. And then in Chicago, I had an amazing time with my friends there, enjoying some authentic Mexican food. I had the chicken flautas, which is one of my favorites, and just what I needed to round off my taste of the Americas. My friend tried the menudo, which honestly wasn't really his thing, although I do admire him for giving it a try. That's something I always say, try something new. You never know how a new dish or a place might surprise you. What I love about traveling is how it opens up my culinary world to new ideas and flavors. In Punta Cana, for example, it was the fresh seafood, the tropical fruits, and a variety of flavors and spices that added so much joy to the celebration. In Indianapolis, that pork tenderloin sandwich, which was enormous, was really a comforting memory of home. And in Chicago, those flautas, they played a Mexican tune straight into my belly. Since returning here to Chicago, I've been so excited to incorporate these experiences and ideas into the flavors that I have here in my kitchen, all from these different places. And for me, it's always about finding that balance between the familiar and the adventure of something new, just like in my travels. So, one of the best parts about food is the chance to try new things. Just like my friend stepping outside of his comfort zone with the menudo. Even if it's not for you, the experience of trying it is a victory in itself. That's something I always encourage, and I always will. Explore new flavors, try a new dish, because you never know where it might lead. And I've got some exciting new dishes coming up for you. In the next few weeks, I'll be sharing a traditional Mexican dish that my friend has introduced me to. And I'm developing a new cake. Hint, it's called a pastel alba. And there's another dish that's very personal to me, falafel, because it reminds me of my visit to Beirut in Lebanon and my friends there, especially during these really difficult times. I'll place a link to that video at the end of this one, so be sure to check it out. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so you don't miss any episodes. And remember to share this with your family and friends. Being back in my London kitchen, I'm often reminded of how much food can carry the spirit of a place. The comforting memories and the connections, old and new. And of course, I'm very happy to be back here at Gary's Table with all of you. And to that end, I want to hear from each of you. What dishes or travels have brought creativity or adventure into your kitchen? Come on, leave me a comment or two, and let's share our culinary journeys together. And don't forget, I post new Gary's Tables episodes on Fridays, new Gary's Urban Larder recipes on Sundays, and 60-second shorts on Wednesdays. So there's plenty to choose from. Well, that's it from me today. Thanks for joining me. And until next time, keep exploring, keep trying new things, and happy cooking. See you next time. Bye.